Welcome to Logtown.
On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a Winter Wonderland. So it's been snowing pretty hard this week, and just in time for Christmas. For the past couple of years, we've been having very dry Christmas. There was no snow, so it wasn't a white Christmas. And so this year, it's going to be very nice. We're actually having the snow. People have been decorating their houses. The spirit is pretty much back, and everyone's ready to celebrate this joyful moment all together. So today it's a snow day, and well, in Canada, well, not all of the Canada, let's be specific here. Let's say Montreal. It's a snow day. What's a snow day for those who don't have snow? It means it's a day that everyone takes off. Many people cannot go to work. Many people don't go to school. Kids are happy. The parents are kind of cranky. Kids are home. But nevertheless, everyone's home relaxing, having fun, catching up on things they were not able to do. My face is being all splattered by snow. My camera is all wet. It's all good. We are actually going to take a walk, try to see what people are doing. As you can see, it's pretty empty. It's so quiet. It's like a zombie apocalypse. Oh, well, December 21st is coming, so maybe it's for that. No, keep on thinking joyful thoughts. We don't want to ruin the Christmas spirit, you know. I used to always climb up here when I was a kid. I used to be my spot to relax. And I used to do lots of bike riding on that. It used to be fun going down the slope. Usually there are kids over here sliding, but I guess they have school and they were able to go to school. I'm very confused. Or, like I said, no one really goes out, because these days people only do play video games. Oh no, the doom, it's going to clean me. I have to escape. Oh no, it's coming for me. Snow now in my boots. It's all part of the experience of the Winter Wonderland. Yeah, look at this scenery. It's all white. Might as well just put a white screen and, you know, tell you I'm outside. Which I'm not, because I'm really outside. Yep. So, for those who have never seen snow, this is what snow looks like. Let's see. So yeah, this is what snow looks like. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. It could be very delicious, depending on what kind of snow you like. Great for snow cones. Be careful not to get the yellow ones. Those are dogs who peed on it. Or kids. You know, could go on a boat. Okay, so we have some trees over here. Let's see if I can cut some and use them as Christmas trees. Oh, I'm on top of the hill. I'm the king of the world right now. And there's kids sliding. Or they're snowboarding. I can't really tell. I think they're snowboarding or skiing or something. I'll let you off right now. And this is what Canada looks like in the winter. It's all white. A real true white Christmas. Alright. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 6. Hopefully I'll do my Christmas shopping very soon. See ya. If it's like pinkish red snow, I have no clue. I'll stay away from that too.